My name is Jocelyn Doherty, and last year my best friend Hannah, and I got into this preparatory school. We were both accepted. There was a 1 in 250 chance for us to both get in, and we did. It was kind of a lottery system, but it was based on GPA. Like, if you didn't have a high enough GPA, you were not submitted into the lottery. And then they just sort of picked out names from that, and we both got in, like I said, and there's only 60 people per graduating class, um, or per grade level, and we'll be out of the second graduating class, which means that there's only 120 people at our school next year, which is not enough to have a choir and an orchestra program and a band program. So there's none of that, and that's kind of a really big drawback. Our school is project-based learning, which is awesome. I'm really excited. But we really like our arts. Of course, there is a solution to that, which is that we are allowed to make clubs. We have to get it cleared through the school, of course, and all that, but making clubs is something that, has been around for ages, and it's just things that you can't have a class for, but you can have um, a club for. And, like, you can have the students at your school become involved, and everybody can be involved, and you can do things together and go on field trips, after school, like on the weekends and stuff. So I'm really excited about that. And my friend and I had the idea to make a cosplay club. And because cosplay is something that's really fun, and it's something that can bring people together, because, working on a cosplay outfit, you always want to tell people how you're progressing through. And you always want to talk about it. In my personal experience, this is how it happens. And so we would like to, our main goal is to have, a group, one or two group cosplays. So if this half of the people that have joined our club want to be in this group cosplay, and this half want to be in this group cosplay, we could do Disney villains, and just, the good guys from Disney. That'd be really fun, right? So we could do that. Um, and then we want to attend a con with everybody, a convention. And we have a convention in mind, which occurs in Seattle every year, called SakuraCon. And we just want to be able to pay for room and board for everyone, and to pay for, at least, we want to pay for half the entry for everyone. So everybody would pay for half of their own entry, and then we would pay for the other half through the funding that we collect, hopefully, from you guys. And room and board can get really expensive, and so we need to be able to fund that. um, then, of course, we want to help people be able to pay for some of the supplies for their cosplay. So we're going to have, once we, if the funding takes off and it actually works, which I hope it will, we are going to take some of the money and reserve hotel rooms, and then we're going to take everything else that's left over and buy supplies that everybody needs. Like, everybody needs glitter. Glitter is just, it's like, we're going to buy, like, the staples that everybody will need. Glitter, paint, acrylic paint, fabric paint, iron-on letters, and whatever else, just iron-on sheets, actually, then we can print things out. Regular t-shirts, just everything, the staples, the things that everyone needs. And then after there's money left over from that, we'll divide it among everybody so that they can use that money towards, maybe their wig, or we could buy some makeup, some cosplay makeup, because cosplay makeup is different from regular makeup, usually. There's a lot of different colors and weird things that you need, like body dye, full body dye. Like, if you were going to be Ursula, you would definitely need purple dye. And you would need white hairspray. and you would need purple eyeshadow up to here. Um, so there's a lot of things to take into consideration when it comes to cosplay, and there's a lot of expenses that are just little, but they build up, and we want to be able to help everybody in our club pay for those, so that we can all have a good experience together as a club, as clubs often do. And half the fun of cosplay is planning your outfit and creating it. The other half of the fun, obviously, is showing it off at a convention and meeting new people and just having fun. So we want to be able to achieve this, and in order to do that, we need help. So we're reaching out and we're asking for some, and it would be awesome if you could help us by contributing your hard-earned money to a school club, to people who don't have, arts programs and, whatever. Um, it would be honestly really, really appreciated. Thank you.